Nobody warns you about this one. Somewhere in a quiet town, a single vending machine's cousin, a pressure washer trailer, is generating more monthly profit than a guy's entire marketing job. No office, no boss, just a hose, a truck, and dirty driveways. That's the pattern nobody advertises. The internet sells you disruption. Reality quietly rewards maintenance. Here's why this matters right now. In 2026, service-based boring businesses are seeing record demand because homeowners have money but zero time, and skilled labor has gotten expensive and hard to find. That gap is where quiet fortunes get built. Let's break down 5 different ideas. None of them flashy. All of them profitable. Number 1, pressure washing. This is one of the lowest cost businesses to start. Sometimes under $3,000 in equipment. A single driveway or house wash can bring in $150 to $400 and takes under 2 hours. Do 3 jobs a day, 4 days a week, and you're clearing 5 figures a month before you've hired a single employee. The irony is that most people default on trying to build an app before trying a garden hose with better math. Number 2, commercial cleaning contracts. Not homes, offices, gyms, medical buildings. These contracts often pay on a fixed monthly retainer, meaning the income doesn't fluctuate with mood or weather. One small office cleaning route with 10 clients can quietly generate $8,000 to $15,000 a month in recurring revenue. Nobody hypes this business because it doesn't photograph well for social media, but predictable cash flow doesn't need to be pretty. Number 3, dumpster rental. This is almost absurdly simple. Buy a few metal containers, drop them off, pick them up, charge for the time in between. Construction booms, home renovations, and estate cleanouts keep demand steady regardless of the economy. A single dumpster can be rented out multiple times a month, and the profit margin per rental often exceeds 70% once the container is paid off. Number 4, mobile car detailing. Different from a car wash, this is high-touch, appointment-based, and priced accordingly. A full interior and exterior detail can charge $100 to $300, and loyal repeat customers turn this into a subscription-like habit. The real trick here is convenience. People aren't paying for a clean car. They're paying to not have to think about it. Number 5, portable storage container rental. The newer mobile version of self-storage. Instead of a warehouse, you deliver a container directly to a customer's driveway. It's storage that comes to you. This niche exploded quietly because moving companies, renovators, and downsizes all needed flexible short-term space without the drive to a facility. Now here's the uncomfortable math. Every one of these businesses looks unimpressive from the outside. No app store listing, no investor pitch, just tools, a truck, and a phone that rings. But that lack of glamour is exactly why they aren't overcrowded. High-status businesses attract competition. Low-status businesses quietly compound. Here's the tension between hype and reality. Social media loves to show the 6-figure side hustle screenshot, but rarely the part where you're soaked from a pressure washer at 7 in the morning, or hauling debris out of a dumpster you personally have to clean. Passive doesn't mean easy. It means the hard part happens early, then eases. Zoom out, and the bigger pattern becomes obvious. As white-collar jobs get quietly reshaped by automation, physical trades and hands-on services are becoming the strange new stability. A machine can generate a marketing plan. It still can't power wash a mildew-covered deck without human judgment on pressure, angle, and material. That's the quiet irony sitting underneath all of this. The businesses that feel beneath ambition might be the ones still standing when the flashy ones disappear. So maybe the real question isn't which business sounds impressive. It's this: if unglamorous work is this resilient, why does everyone still wait for permission to feel proud of it?